R4 Oodles. I'm about to take this Ryobi 18volt brushless cordless chainsaw, the model P548, and I'm going to attempt something that it's definitely not designed for, so do not try this at home.
Keep pushing, Pappy. Push. Make sure you're pushing. Push, Pappy. Pappy, push. It's coming off the tree. Joe, tell him to push. Tell him to push. Push. No, I'm saying it's going. Keep going. Keep going. Yes. Yes.
Get on that dot right there, Joe. All right, ready to take the dot? Up. Up. Take the club where it is. Yeah.
Pappy, push. Don't stop pushing. Push, Pappy. Push, Pappy, it's moving! It's moving, Joe! Y'all gotta push! Joe! Joe, move! Are you videoing or film or video?
Okay, well, it worked out pretty good, especially pushing the excavator up against it, take a little pressure. That tree was rotten in the middle, had a big old hole in it. It was about 28 inches across, and it was a booger. But this 18-volt Ryobi brushless cordless chainsaw did the job. Again, it's a job it's not intended for, so do not try it at home. Thank you for watching R4 Oodles, and tune in again to see another episode, see what we're up to. If you want to go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, share, follow us on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook as well. All right, thank you again for watching R4 Oodles. Come back and see us again.